Hey guys, it's Cass and Ken. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some bakes. Some people call it fried dumpling. So stay tuned. So now we have about 2 pounds of flour in this container. We're gonna add some sugar, now we're gonna add some baking powder. Then we're gonna add some yeast. Now some salt. I like to feel the salt to know how much. And then we're gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons of butter. So we're gonna incorporate them, combine them. I'm kneading the butter. So now we make the butter into smaller bits. We're gonna knead. Okay, I have some warm water here. I'm gonna put that aside, mix some more. Put that aside. Mix some more. We don't want our dough to be too hard or too stiff, and we don't want it to be too soft. So I'm gonna do it like that. So now we did that, we're gonna kind of knead, and the way I knead, I don't really, I kind of squeeze it together first, so that because it's a bit sticky. I'm just going to wash my hands and then come back and knead it a bit more. flour my hand a bit so that the dough won't really stick on my hand much. You need it. Okay, so we're gonna let this sit a while and it'll double in size. So we're gonna put in some warm and about half an hour to 45 minutes to sit and raise a bit. So I cover it with some plastic wrap. Leave it to sit a while. So guys, I don't think it was a full half an hour. I'm a bit hungry, so just gonna wrong them out. Gonna flour my hand. Take a piece. So I'm gonna put a bit of flour on the plate so they won't feel like a stick. That's one. So now I'm going to put the oil to hot. After I finish wronging them out, I was supposed to already done that. And yes guys, in the bakes the butter was salted butter, so you have to be careful how much salt you put in the bakes. Okay, and also it was instant yeast. And for that 2 pounds of flour I made 17 bakes. So guys, this is how I test if the oil is ready. I put a piece of the bakes inside. See how that bubbles? It's ready. So now I'm gonna put in the bakes out a bit. This should be done on low heat because you don't want the bakes to burn too fast without inside cooking fast. Okay, so that's our finished product. I have about 3 left on the stove, but yes, that's about it. Hope you like it. Please share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. But yes,